Have you ever stopped to think, why is darker skin so common in Africa and Asia? Is it just about genetics, sunlight, or is there a deeper historical reason? Let's break it down. It all starts with something called melanin, a natural pigment made by our bodies. It gives color to our skin, hair, and eyes. The more melanin you have, the darker your skin. And guess what? Melanin is powerful. Melanin protects your skin from the harmful effects of the sun, like sunburn, DNA damage, and skin cancer. But wait, don't you want to know what is this melanin? Where did melanin come from? Why did it evolve? How did it spread across the world? And here's a bold question. Why do some people have more melanin than others? Let's get into the full story. No myth, no politics, just evolution, biology, and truth. Humans didn't just pop up randomly. We evolved in Africa. That's where melanin began. Why? Because Africa is hot and sunny. Over 200,000 years ago, early humans were living under intense sunlight, exposed to harsh UV rays. That sun exposure came with a cost. Sunburns, skin cancer, and damage to your DNA. So, people with more melanin had an edge. Their skin could block UV rays and protect what mattered most. Like what? Like folate and during pregnancy. Folate is crucial for the development of a healthy baby. Too much sun can destroy folate in the body, but melanin acts like a shield, preserving it. If your skin could handle UV rays better, you were more likely to survive, stay healthy, and pass on your genes. Back then, melanin wasn't just about color, it was about survival. That's why darker skin evolved. Bonus benefit? People with more melanin often show fewer signs of aging, like wrinkles or sunspots, because their skin is better protected from UV damage. And it's not just in the skin. Melanin is also in your eyes and brain, helping filter harmful light and possibly protecting nerve cells. But how did it spread across the world? Now fast forward. Around 60,000 to 80,000 years ago, humans started migrating out of Africa into the Middle East, Europe, Asia, and eventually the entire planet. They crossed deserts, climbed mountains, and survived ice ages. In places with less sunlight, like Northern Europe, having a lot of melanin actually became a disadvantage. Why? Because melanin blocks UV rays, which also means it blocks the skin from making vitamin D, something the body needs, especially in darker, colder climates. So, in those places, people's skin slowly became lighter to get more sunlight. It wasn't about race, it was about survival, sunlight, and geography. That's why skin tones vary across the world. Not because anyone's superior, but because our ancestors adapted to different environments. Melanin isn't a mystery. It's a story of survival, rooted in evolution, shaped by the sun, and spread through every human migration. Yes, it began in Africa, but its journey includes Asia, Europe, the Americas. It connects us all. So whether your skin is light, dark, or somewhere in between, remember this. Your body carries the story of your ancestors, written in melanin. Now, is melanin good or bad? Let's be real, it's neither. It's just another way the body adapts, like how people develop stronger lungs in thin mountain air or grow thicker hair to handle freezing temperatures. But if we had to answer, is melanin good? Absolutely. Melanin's benefits: it protects against sunburn and skin cancer, slows visible aging from sun damage, it helps preserve folate, vital for pregnancy and healthy cells, and it plays a role in eye and brain health. So what surprised you most about melanin's story? Tell us in the comment section. Like and subscribe. SPRK-AS.